Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about a really important concept which is known as physical relationship and virtual relationship in a data based environment. Let's say you have a Power BI and you have a data model. So what or how can you distinguish between a physical relationship versus a virtual relationship? You might hear these terms across all or most of the what do you call meetings, or people might talk about this physical relationship, virtual relationship, and you might be curious to know what are these terms. So I'm going to discuss with an example and show you in a data model what are those kind of relationships. Okay, so let's quickly jump in. I hope my screen is visible though. So I am quickly moving to my data model tab. Now, any coming to physical relationship, any relationship which is seen and which is drawn out with the help of a line is known as physical relationship. I'll repeat, any relationship which is drawn out from one table to another table and that is connected with the help of a line is known as physical relationship. So physical relationships can be of two types, can be active and can be inactive. Active is denoted by a straight line and inactive will be denoted as dotted line. Physical relationship will have a cardinality of 1 to many. So if I right click on this, so it's loading guys. So you can see if you want to make the relationship as inactive, you will see it will be a dotted line. So see guys, let me quickly zoom this, right? So this is currently inactive and that is denoted by dotted lines. Now again I want to make this relationship as active, make this relationship as active. It's converting it to active relationship. So these are all physical relationship. Now the coming to the cardinality part of it, it is 1 to many. And any relationship, whenever it is connected from one table to another table via a single line which is not dotted, think as active physical relationship. Any table or any two table which is connected via dotted line or dashed line, that is known as inactive physical relationship. Now, what is virtual relationship then? That is also some kind of relationship. Virtual relationship are nothing but temporary relationships. Temporary relationships you can think of your DAX query. The queries you write. Let me quickly open my measures table and see. I can give you an example. Let's say any big uh, okay, anyways, all are my temporary relationship only. So one example is this is my what do you call virtual relationship, which is created for a temporary purpose. And what was the purpose? The purpose was to see the customer sales for the last year, right? So we have created this to find out the customers relationship, what do you call customers last year sales, right? It was not there in existing data model, was it? No, it was not there. We had created for our own purpose to analyze the data. So and this DAX query is also or is trying to link up with the existing data model. So These temporary data models are known as, or these temporary data relationships are known as virtual relationships. Got it? So one more clue I would like to give you is like virtual relationships are mostly what do you call used when you are trying to create a DAX, and also certain keywords are used in virtual relationships like let's say treat as. This is one keyword. Just keep a note of it. I'll discuss in the upcoming lectures. This is one keyword which is majorly used in those sort of relationships. And yeah, let's not go too deep into it. The major thing is like physical relationship. You can see it denoted by line, dotted line, and virtual relationship is temporary relationship denoted by a DAX query. So just keep these points in mind, and in the future lectures, it will be handy for you to grasp some understanding on this, right? So that's all for today's lecture. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and have a good day. Thank you.